Fake app downloads. The app may look real, but scammers are getting sneaky. Don't get tricked. Scammers create convincing fakes. Always verify the developer and check reviews before downloading. Stick to official app stores. The trap. Fake apps imitate trusted brands. The goal? They rely on fast fingers and tired eyes to trick you into downloading them. Scammers are digital masters of disguise. They copy names, logos, colors, descriptions, and even screenshots to fool you. A few seconds of caution can prevent a major headache. They want to steal passwords, collect personal information, push unwanted subscriptions and financial scams, spy on device activity, and show fake security alerts. But I found it in the App Store. Official app stores are safer than random websites, but they are not perfect. Official stores lower the risk, but they do not remove the need for your caution. Bad apps can slip through. The anatomy of a fake app. The real deal. Official developer name. Gradual bell curve or reviews. Logical permissions. Found via direct store search. The red flags. Misspelled names. Sudden spikes of 5 stars. Overreaching permissions. Found via random SMS link. The takeaway? Scammers leave clues. Look for these 4 red flags before you tap install. Red flag number 1, strange developer names. Fake apps use strange names, slight misspellings, or names that look almost official but aren't quite right. Always check the developer's name, not just the name of the app. Red flag number 2, suspicious reviews. Be highly suspicious of very few reviews for a major company app. Look out for sudden bursts of 5-star ratings. Beware of generic copied sounding praise. Pay close attention to the timing and number of reviews. Real apps grow over time, not overnight. Red flag number 3. Permission overreach. If the permissions do not match the app's purpose, hit the brakes. Red flag number 4. Surprise download links. Never install apps from surprise links in text messages, emails, pop-ups, or social media ads. Scammers use these to bypass the official store entirely. Scammers want you to bypass the official app store. Always download from the source, not a link. High-risk app neighborhoods. Anything that involves banking, shopping, cryptocurrency, health, delivery, government services, security tools, games, QR code scanners, and device cleaners or boosters. These apps handle your money, personal data, or device security. They are the most attractive targets for scammers. Extra verification is required here. How to verify before you install. Search directly in the official store. Don't click links. Check the developer name. Visit the company's real website for the official link. Read recent reviews. Check the update history. Review requested permissions. If you've checked all of those, install. If you are being pressured to install quickly, abort. The 5-second stoplight check. If you can't confidently answer these, do not tap install. 1. Do I know who made this app? 2. Did I find it from a trusted source? Number 3. Do the permissions make sense? Number 4. Is it pretending to be something famous? Number 5. Am I being rushed? What to do if you installed a suspicious app. Uninstall the app immediately. Restart your device. Change passwords for any accounts you used inside the fake app. Check bank activity if you entered financial information. Run a security scan using a trusted, verified tool. Report the app in the official App Store. Take these steps calmly. Acting fast and following the plan is key to staying safe. My final advice: official app stores are the safer road, but you still need to keep your headlights on. Scammers count on fast fingers and tired eyes. Slow down, verify, then install. Stay safe, stay secure, stay curious, and remember, you're never too old to outsmart a scammer. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.